Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer.
Rotaractors, interactors, families, our beloved guests from different clubs, and all the wonderful people attending this special ceremony today. A very warm welcome to all of you.
हाम्रा रोटेरियन साथीहरू योगदानको लागि सदा तत्पर हुनुहुन्छ। हाम्रो क्लबको फुटप्रिन्ट प्रोजेक्ट गर्ल चाइल्ड एजुकेसन प्रोग्राम अनुसार आर्थिक रूपले कमजोर छात्राको उच्च शिक्षा सम्भवको छात्रवृत्ति व्यवस्था गर्ने योजनाको तयारीमा रहेको पनि यस अवसरमा जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छौँ। आज हामी आरसीआरको नेतृत्व एक युवा पुस्तालाई हस्तान्तरण गर्न गइरहेका छौँ र एक अलग पहिचान भएको क्लबको रूपमा स्थापित रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानीमा अनुभवी युवा, तन्नेरी युवाहरू, ज्येष्ठ नागरिकको राम्रो सम्मिश्रणले क्लबभित्र मात्र होइन बियोन्ड द क्लब र बियोन्ड द बोर्डरसम्म पनि आफ्नो योगदान र नेतृत्व प्रदान गर्न सफल भएको छ। हाम्रा क्लबका रोटेरियन साथीहरूको निरन्तर योगदानको हामी कदर गर्दछौँ। हाम्रो राजेन्द्र दाईले बराबर भन्नुहुन्थ्यो, हामी रोटरीमा होइन, रोटरी हामीमा हुनुपर्छ। यसै कुरालाई मनन गर्दै हामीले रोटरीका कोर भ्यालुज सर्भिस, फेलोसिप, लिडरसिप, इन्टिग्रिटी र डाइभर्सिटीलाई आत्मसात गर्दै रोटरीले प्रतिपाद गरेको 4-वे टेस्टको हरेक हप्ता मिटिङमा वाचन गर्नुको साथ यसले पहिल्याएका एभेन्युज अफ सर्भिस, क्लब सर्भिस, भोकेसनल सर्भिसेस, कम्युनिटी सर्भिसेस, इन्टरनेसनल सर्भिसेस र युथ सर्भिसेसमा निरन्तर लागि परेका छन्। युवा शक्तिलाई प्रोत्साहित गर्ने, उत्प्रेरित गर्ने तथा समाजप्रति उत्तरदायी बनाउन तत्पर छ। रोट्र्याक र इन्टर्याक्ट क्लबको गठन तथा संरक्षण गर्नुका साथै रोटरीका उद्देश्यहरू प्राप्तिका लागि उद्यत छ। टिआरएफले औल्याएका फोकस गरेका सम्पूर्ण 7 क्षेत्रमा हामीले हाम्रो क्रियाकलाप अघि सारेका छौँ। हाल आएर सातौं विधा वातावरण तथा पर्यावरण संरक्षण तथा सुधारका उच्च कोटिको कार्य गर्ने व्यक्ति वा क्लबलाई पुरस्कृत गर्ने हेतुले एक ECA इन्भाइरोमेन्टल कन्जर्भेसन एवार्ड नामबाट रु 50,000 को पुरस्कारको व्यवस्था गरेका छौँ। यस किसिमको व्यवस्था गर्ने हामी पहिलो क्लब हुन सक्छ।
On March 10, 2022, for the first time in RAC Rajdhani district, we are able to fund a cross-border support program with Nepalese rupees 9,27,000 to the Limited Flower Leprosy Welfare Association in Roxol, India, in collaboration with Sandhana Method Foundation, for which we received special project award at district and a recognition ceremony on 25 June 2022. Apart from this work, our secretary, now President-elect KP Upadhyay, will be presenting a PowerPoint presentation in a few moments. Now I would like to take a moment to thank my committee members for their dedication and continued support during my tenure. Past President Pratap Singh Tata, Chair Club Admin, Rotary Abhishek Shrestha, Chair Membership, P.P. Devendranath Shrestha, Chair Service Project, Rotary Hariram Patel, Chair Public Relations, P.P. Pradeep Kumar Shrestha, Chair TRF, Rotary Dinesh Ratnabajaj, Treasurer, Rotary Biswajit Singh Sai, Sergeant at Arms, Rotary Sivarat Bhatta, Joint Secretary, and all the club members, committee chairs, seniors and past presidents, without whose support all the achievements during my tenure would not have been possible. I would like to convey special thanks to Secretary and now KP Upadhyay for his full support. Without him, I would not have been able to achieve all the works completed.
अनि कमिटी अहिले प्रेसिडेन्ट सरले भनिसक्नु भएको हामी सर्भिस हाम्रो कमिटीहरू भयो यसमा पनि तपाईँले हेर्नुहुन्छ भने 3 जना कमिटीको हेड चाहिँ पास्ट प्रेसिडेन्टलाई नै हाल्नु भएको छ उहाँले सिनियर राख्नु भएको छ उहाँले एकदम क्लबलाई गाइड गर्नुभयो र 2 जना चाहिँ अलिकति जुनियर त नभनौँ अलिकति इमर्जिङ चाहिँ नि हाम्रो चाहिँ मेम्बरहरूलाई उहाँले चाहिँ मौका दिनुभएको थियो उहाँले धेरै सिक्नुभयो र उहाँले पनि धेरै चाहिँ राम्रै काम गर्नुभएको छ। र अब क्लब एक्टिभिटीको एक्टिभिटीमा जाउँ। क्लब एक्टिभिटी यसमा धेरै कुरा प्रेसिडेन्ट सरले भनिसक्नु भएको छ। हाम्रो केही 48 वटा चाहिँ मिटिङ गर्ने टार्गेट थियो तर हामीले 49 वटा मिटिङ गऱ्यौँ। त्यसलाई राम्रो एचिभमेन्ट भएको छ र 3 टा चाहिँ मिटिङमा कसरी मिटिङ लिस्ट भयो भने एउटा मिटिङमा हामीहरू त उहाँ झापामा चाहिँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कन्फरेन्समै थियौँ हामी सबैजना त्यसमा मिटिङ भयो भनेर काम गर्न सकिन्छ होला र 2 टा चाहिँ दसैँ तिहारमा हाम्रो मिस भएको छ। दसैँ तिहारमा चाहिँ यमराजको छुट्टी दिन्छ मान्छेलाई त्यस कारण चाहिँ मेरो चाहिँ हामीले 2 वटै चाहिँ हामी मिटिङ गऱ्यौँ भनेर हामीले कहिले गर्न मिल्छ त्यो हामीले 49 वटा पनि हामीले गऱ्यौँ। बोर्ड मिटिङहरू अहिले सरले भनिसक्नु भएको छ। यसमा अब यसलाई हाम्रो माई रोडरीमा रेजिस्ट्रेसन पनि 100% भएको छ। अब डिस्ट्रिक्ट कन्फरेन्सहरू हामीले चाहिँ धेरैमा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कन्फरेन्समा हामीले पोस्ट भएर 11 मेम्बर त्यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट गऱ्यौँ। अनि डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनिङ एसेम्ब्लीमा 11जना भाग लिएका थियौँ। पार्टिसिपेसन ग्रान्ड म्यानेजर सेमिनार ग्रान्ड म्यानेजर सेमिनारमा पनि धेरै भाग लियौँ हामीले र रोटरी स्टोरी प्रोग्राम जुन अब एलोट हुनुभएको थियो त्यहाँ 10जना मेम्बरले भाग लियौँ। त्यसैले धेरै प्रोग्रामहरू जुन बेलाले गरेकोमा मेन होस्ट र कोस्ट भएर हामीले भाग लिएका थियौँ। र अहिले नयन सरले भन्नुभयो जुन हाम्रो क्लबले अगाडि एड गर्दाखेरि अर्को टिमलाई ह्यान्डओभर गर्दाखेरि जुन लिगल डकुमेन्ट सिडिओ रेजिस्ट्रेसन र एस्टोको रेजिस्ट्रेसनमा रिभ्यू गरेर रिभ्यू त्यहाँ कागज हामीले रिभ्यू गरेर हामीले ह्यान्डओभर गरेका छौँ। कुनै अप्ठ्यारो छैन। अब मेम्बरसिपमा हाम्रो टार्गेट चाहिँ 41 मेम्बरसिप थियो, तर 43 मेम्बरसिप हामीले एड गऱ्यौँ। त्यसमा रिटेल मेम्बर चाहिँ कम छ 4 मात्रै हुन्छ र नयाँ मेम्बरहरू 6 जना अहिले सबैले इन्ट्रोडक्सन गराइसक्यौँ। म रिपिट गर्छु, 6 जना चाहिँ त्यहाँ नाम हामीले उल्लेख गरेका छौँ। र क्लासिफिकेसनमा एउटा राम्रो कुरा के छ, हाम्रो क्लबमा एकदम भेराइटी भर्सटाइल मेम्बर्सहरू हुनुहुन्छ। सबै क्लासिफिकेसनमा हाम्रो चाहिँ मेम्बर परेन क्लासमा हाम्रो मेम्बर गर्नुभएको छ। 3टा क्लासिफिकेसन मात्रै हाम्रो छुटेको छ। एउटा चाहिँ नि पाइलट हामीलाई हुनुहुन्न, अहिलेसम्म चार्ट एकाउन्टेन्ट हुनुहुन्न र आर्टिस्ट हुनुहुन्छ। आर्टिस्ट तरिका चाहिँ भइदिएर राम्रो 3जना चाहिँ हुनुहुन्छ। अरू सबै क्लासिफिकेसन हामीले चाहिँ कभर गरेका छौँ। र अर्को एउटा राम्रो क्लासिफिकेसन हाम्रो रोटरी क्लबको विभिन्न मेम्बरहरूले चाहिँ डिस्ट्रिक्टको डिफ्रेन्ट एक्टिभिटिजमा चाहिँ उहाँले रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी लिएर काम गर्नुभएको छ। त्यहाँ नाम सबै लेखेका छन्, जस्तो डाक्टर विश्ववासी हाम्रो चाहिँ डिस्ट्रिक्टमा चाहिँ सबै स्ट्रेटेजी प्लानिङ हेर्नुभएको छ। डिआरएफ पिएमके दाजु हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँले चाहिँ सबै डिआरएफ सबै काम डिस्ट्रिक्टमा हेर्नुभएको छ। यसको चाहिँ प्रदीप सरले चाहिँ डिआरएफको चाहिँ फन्ड रेजिङको कमिटीको चेयर गरेर काम गर्नुभएको छ। पहिला त्यो धेरै हाम्रो चाहिँ धेरै मेम्बरहरूले डिस्ट्रिक्टमा चाहिँ कन्ट्रिब्युसन गरिरहेको छ। म डिटेलमा सक्दैन सक्छु होला। र पब्लिक इमेजमा के थियो भनेदेखि हाम्रो 2टा एकदम पपुलर मिडिया ग्रुप जस्तो भारतरी.com-लाई हामीले मिडिया पार्टनर बनायौँ र रेडियो सिटी एफएममा चाहिँ हामीले रेडियो पार्टनर बनाएर यो वर्षभरि हामीले कार्यक्रम गऱ्यौँ। जति पनि कार्यक्रम हाम्रो त्यो चाहिँ त्यो जिल्लाले लाइभ कभरेज गर्नुहुन्थ्यो रेडियो र त्यसको लागि भारतभरिको त्यो बेला हाम्रो हिमाल सर हुनुहुन्छ, मान्छेलाई धेरै धन्यवाद दिनुपर्छ। र रेडियो सिटीको चाहिँ हाम्रो राम्रो सर पनि हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँलाई पनि धन्यवाद दिनुपर्छ। उहाँले फुल टाइम उसमा काम गरिरहेको छ। वर्षको 10,000 रुपियाँ 8,000 रुपियाँ भन्नुभएको थियो, 5,000 आइसक्यो। त्यति पैसा चाहिँ कसैले दियो भने एउटा पेसेन्टको चाहिँ आउट अफ पकेट एक्सपेन्सेस मिट हुँदो रहेछ भने ठुलो कुरा भएन भनेर हामीले क्लबमा कुरा चलायौँ। क्लबमा कुरा चलाएपछि हामीले सबै मेम्बरहरूले एकदम चाहिँ स्पोन्टेनियसली उहाँले चाहिँ कन्ट्रिब्युसन गर्ने चाहिँ सबैले त्यसमा दिनुभयो, आफ्नो आफ्नो रकम उहाँले ओफर गर्नुभयो। र साथसाथै त्यही बेला कविता म्याडम र चाहिँ हाम्रो रश्मि म्याडमको नाम छ, रश्मि म्याडमलाई विशेष धन्यवाद दिनुपर्छ। उहाँको एउटा संस्था मैत्रीय सम्झना मैत्रीय फाउन्डेसन भन्ने संस्था छ, त्यसबाट ठुलो राशि 7 लाख चान्सुन चाहिँ उहाँको संस्थाबाट अहिले हिसाब छ, म त्यो देखाउँछु। त्यो गरेर हामीले टोटल चाहिँ यहाँ त्यो बेलाको ह्यान्डओभरको सिन भयो र यसमा यहाँ छ नामहरू। यसमा चाहिँ कस्तो छ भने हाम्रो राजेन्द्र दाइले तुरन्तै यो कुरा कविता म्याडम कुरा चलाउँदाखेरि उहाँले त ल यसलाई तुरन्त गर्नुपर्छ, म 10,000 रुपियाँ आफ्नो तर्फबाट दिन्छु भने तुरन्तै भन्नुभयो। त्यसपछि तुरन्तै स्पोन्टेनियस दिनेमा हाम्रो चाहिँ डाक्टर भवानी पास्ट प्रेसिडेन्टले पनि दिनुभयो। त्यसपछि झासरले कविता म्याडम एकदम राम्रो चिन्तामा उहाँले पनि म तुरन्त दिइहाल्छु भनेर भन्नुभयो। र अरू मेम्बरहरूले पनि सबैले फलो गर्दै त्यहाँ चाहिँ सबै पैसा हाम्रो क्लबबाट चाहिँ 1,40,000 मेम्बर्सबाट र 20,000 चाहिँ क्लबले कन्ट्रिब्युसन गरेर र सम्झना मैत्रीबाट 7 लाख सब्सिडी गरेर 9,27,000को चेक हामीले गएर त्यहाँ रक्सोलको त्यो अर्गनाइजेसनलाई विगतमा एउटा फङ्सन गरेर ह्यान्डओभर गरेर टाइमको सबैको फास्ट पर्सेन्ट स्पेसल प्रबाट भइहाल्यो। अनि यो चाहिँ वाटर एन्ड सेनिटेसनमा हाम्रो पास्ट प्रेसिडेन्ट देवेन्द्र सरको एकदम चाहिँ यो ड्रिम प्रोजेक्ट हो। काठमाडौँ भ्यालीमा रहेका जति पनि ढोके डाँडाहरू सुकेर बसेका छन् तिनीहरूलाई जसरी रिभाइभ गर्नु के हुन्थ्यो त्यो चाहिँ हिस्टोरिकलको लागि त गर्नुपर्छ, जनताहरूलाई एकदम फाइदा हुन्छ उहाँले पहिले दिनुभएको। र यसको लागि अहिले चाहिँ इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्न पाएन, तर म्यापिङ एटलिस्ट भएको छ। नेपालमा कति ठाउँमा काठमाडौँ कति ठाउँमा रहेछ कसलाई रेनोभेसन गर्न जरुरी छ भने म्यापिङ चाहिँ उहाँले सघाउनु भएको छ। र सायद यो वर्षलाई चाहिँ फेरि रेनोभेसन गर्ने काम हुन्छ होला। र इन्भाइरोमेन्टलाई 1 जुलाईको दिनमा हाम्रो हिजोको दिनमा 1 जुलाईमा जुन लास्ट इयर हामीले क्लबको सुरु हुँदाखेरि नै इन्भाइरोमेन्टको ट्री प्लान्टेसनबाट सुरु गरेको थियो। यो कोकुन्डोलमा पोस्टिङ हो, त्यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले सानो स्केलमा 50वटा ट्री चाहिँ फ्रुट्सको ट्रीहरू हामीले चाहिँ त्यहाँ प्लान्टिङ गऱ्यौँ। र लकीले त्यही छेउमा हाम्रो चाहिँ के अरे चिफ जस्टिस सुप्रिम कोर्टको जस्टिस बलराम केसी सर त्यहाँ बस्नु हुँदैछ, उहाँ पनि डुल्दै आएर उहाँले पनि ट्री प्लान्टेसन गर्नुभयो। एकदम राम्रो प्रोग्राम 1 जुलाईमा। त्यसपछि हामीले लगतै 17 जुलाईमा नयाँ पार्टीमा हाम्रो जुन छ आशादीपमा फ्रुट्सहरूको प्लान्ट गरेँ, 50वटा प्लान्ट गरेँ। त्यसमा एजी सरको पनि आउनुभएको थियो। त्यसपछि एकदम अर्कोबाट हामीले चाहिँ एउटा ट्री प्लान्टेसन कार्यक्रम गऱ्यौँ यो ललितपुर शङ्ख पार्कमा, त्यसमा डिजी सर पनि आउनुभएको थियो। र मुख्य दानी अतिथि हाम्रो ललितपुरको मेयर चिरबाबु महोदय सर पनि आउनुभएको थियो, फुल टाइममा बस्नुभयो। त्यसमा करिब 200 ट्रिजहरू प्लान्ट। यसको राम्रो पक्ष के छ, ललितपुरको वडाले त्यो ट्रिजहरूलाई हामी जहाँ देख्दै गर्छौँ, हामी मेन्टेन गर्छौँ भनेर उहाँले दिनु भएको छ। एकदम राम्रो प्रोग्राम भएको छ।
भगवान र भाग्यले पक्कै पनि साथ दिने रहेछ। 2021 जुलाई 4 मा भनेका यी मेरा भाग्य सुरुवातको लागि अत्यन्तै मिठो भयो र सुरुवात अध्यक्षताको, सुरुवात जिम्मेवारीको, सुरुवात अभिभावकपनको, सुरुवात सिकाइको र मुख्यतः सुरुवात जीवनमा नयाँ भोगाइको। र भोगाइ र सिकाइ नै मुख्यतः मानवको म्याचुरिटी अपडेटको बिन्दु रहेछ। रोटा वर्ष 2021-22 सायद 2020-21 भन्दा केही फरक थियो। महामारीका केही अंश सुरुवाती दिनमा थिए। यद्यपि हामी रोटरयाक क्लब अफ राजधानीको अस्तित्व भने हामी यथावतै राखिरहन सफल भयौँ। वर्षको सुरुवात हामीले वृक्षारोपणबाट गर्यौँ। त्यो साँच्चै उत्तम र यादगार पनि थियो, जसले रोटरीको अपडेटेड फोकस एरिया सपोर्टिङ इन्भाइरोमेन्टको सुरुमै कार्य गर्न हामी सफल भयौँ। त्यस्तै वृक्षारोपणको कार्य त्यही मात्र सीमित भएन। हामीले आदरणीय रोटरियन्सहरूको सहकार्य र निर्देशनमा सुन्दरी जलमा पनि वृक्षारोपण गर्यौँ। यता सङ्घमूलको पारमा रहेका केही वृक्षहरूले अझै पनि हाम्रो रोटरी र रोटरयाकको सम्बन्धहरू झल्काइरहेका छन्। तसर्थ सुरुवाती सम्बन्धको जरो गाड्न हामीलाई पथ प्रदर्शक भई हामीलाई सहयोग पुर्याउनुहुने आदरणीय रोटरियन सर देवेन्द्र बहादुर श्रेष्ठ सरलाई म हाम्रो क्लब तर्फबाट धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। तदनुरूप हामीले यो वर्ष समाजमा रोटरयाक क्लब अफ राजधानी सँगसँगै रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानीको नाम चिनाउने अठोट लिएका थियौँ। हाम्रो स्ट्राटेजिक प्लानिङमा नै त्यसरी समावेश गरिएका थियौँ, जसले हामीलाई कम्युनिटी सर्भिस अन्तर्गत 13 वटा प्रोजेक्ट गर्न हौसला दियो। हामीले रोटरयाक क्लब अफ भक्तपुर सङ्घको सहकार्यमा पाइलट बाबा आश्रम वरपर रहेको डाँडाहरूमा सरसफाइको अभियान राख्यौँ। सहकार्यकै कुरा गरिरहँदा हाम्रा इन्टरनेट क्लब अफ नेपाल पुलिसका भाइ बहिनीहरूसँग सहकार्यमा जोडिँदै गर्दाखेरि मेन्सुरल हाइजिन एन्ड सेनिटरी प्याड डिस्ट्रिब्युसनमा पनौतीमा सहभागी भयौँ। हामीले समाजका विभिन्न पक्षहरूमाथि अन्तर्क्रियात्मक कार्यक्रमहरू पनि राख्यौँ, जसमा समाजको एकदमै जल्दो बल्दो इस्यु LGBTIQ र त्यस्तै शिक्षा क्षेत्रमा भर्चुअल रूपमा चाहिँ डिस्टेन्स लर्निङको अप्रोच के हुन सक्छ भनेर युवाहरूलाई अवेर गर्ने कोसिस गर्यौँ।
The Rotaract Club of Rajdhani for the Rota year 2022-23. Now I would like to request past President Vishwakeshar Maski to present the charter certificate to President Nishchal Bahadur Shrestha.
will faithfully execute the office of President of Rotary Club of Rajdhani, and that I will, to the best of my ability, support the district governor and the Rotary International, and that I will uphold the constitution and bylaws of the club. So, congratulations.
I do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the Rotary Club of Rajdhani, and that I will, to the best of my ability, give support and assistance to the DRR and to Rotary International, and that I will uphold the constitutions and bylaws of this club. Congratulations, Karman.
Talking about his education qualification, he's an MBA graduate from Kathmandu University or School of Management, Kathmandu University. And he did his BCom honors from Vrindavan campus, Bangalore, India, Sri Sathya Sai Deemed University. And he did his pre-university college from Sathya Sai PU College, Bangalore, India. And he did his SLC from Brihaspati Vidya Sadan, Kathmandu. Talking about his work experience, which is very long, he's a managing director of Shivam Developers Private Limited, and which has completed, it's a real estate company, and it has currently completed the first phase of scenic housing with 66 independent units at Charuvarasi VDC, which is on the way to Godavari Resort. He also served as a director in the same company from March 2014 to October 2020, and managing director from April 2012 to February 2014, and chief strategy officer promoter from June 2008 till March 2012. He's also a director in Urban Pentagon Private Limited, which is also a developing commercial space and apartments at Kumaripati, Lalitpur, Nepal, and serving there from 2021 December till date. And he's also a managing director of N Properties Private Limited. And he's a managing director of N International Private Limited, and which imports various range of products, including electronics, automation goods, and beauty-related products. He's into hospitality industry as well. He owns a restaurant, La Plaza, and he's a promoter of Nepal Ekarat Cooperative Limited. Our president started working at a very young age and started his career with Lakshmi Bank as a management trainee, and he in October 2002. He worked at various levels and departments of the bank, like retail finance, trade finance, operation, branch manager, and was part of making the system of the bank. He also served as a promoter in Sahara Makkis Private Limited from June 2001 to September 2002, which introduced mug printing business for the first time in Nepal. And he also served as a marketing manager from February 2009 to August 2009 in the Switch Asia project of the European Commission funded project, which is involved in enhancement of sustainable production of Lokta handmade paper in Nepal. He also served as a finance controller from September 2009 till December 2002 in Dynamic Builders Private Limited. And he was a chairman in Home Automation Nepal Private Limited from November 2011 till 2018 as a chairman, and it is a home automation company dedicated to enhance the digital lifestyle of individual and company.
just to tell you, we have a very funful event of tree plantation this coming Saturday at Asadip Naya Party, which is also an adopted village. There we intend to plant about 200 trees and a participation about 150 to 200 of us. So it's going to be a very grand event, and I request all of you to please join us in that event, because there's going to be a multiple things associated with us. We will have a good plantation, a good fellowship, we'll have a funful event, and then we will support the mentally challenged, mentally ill patient of Asadip. To just brief you, we started this Rota year yesterday with a blood donation along with Rotary Club of Rajdhani and other clubs. And for us it's the first service project, and I suppose the thing that we did, the blood donation, was the first service project that our district has done in this Rota year. Yesterday, of the 94 registered donors, 77 bit of blood we were able to collect, and that's a very huge number. Thank you so much. We will continue to do the similar kind of events, blood donations, medical camps, and other things. Continuing our work further, we will be supporting our club's leprosy project. In disease and prevention and treatment aspect, we are awaiting the handover of global grant project of phaco machine that we will be delivering to BP Koirala Eye Hospital in teaching, which is roughly around $47,000 worth of project. We have scheduled the handover project on the July 11th, 2022, and I request all of you to please participate in the program so that we can do this handover, and this is definitely going to help BP Koirala Eye Hospital to reach out to the distant area of Nepal to do cataract and other kind of analysis and the eye-related service. Thank you. It gives me pleasure to announce that we will be establishing a full endowment fund, sir, this year, worth $25,000. This, I must say, was initially envisaged by our past president, Ajay Singh Karki, sir. We will be doing this year as well, and I pledge $1,000 as a token to contribute to the school endowment fund. I'll be handing over the check in a while during the proceedings of our program. As I stand before you today, accepting to be the president of Rotary Club of Rajdhani, I make a passionate plea with you to rekindle the vision and imagine Rotary and Rotary Club of Rajdhani. It is the collection of like-minded individuals like us that will make an organization. And it is by this collective effort that such an organization will achieve success. I accept this honor from you all as a president, and I believe that it is our club and not my club. It is our year and not my year. Thank you so much.
Today I feel the honor to introduce a man of passion, diplomacy, humility, and empathy. He shows characteristics such as an open-mindedness, purposeful, clear vision for future and problem-solving skill. From the beginning of involvement in the club as a member, he has been coordinating, organizing, and participating in several events of our club and served as a vice president in Rota year 2022 and Rota year 2021 and 22. With due respect, I hereby present our president, Rotractor Karma Gurung, who was born in 26 July 1996 at Lamjung. He passed SLC from VS Nikenden School. He graduated his high school from KMC. Graduated in BE in Computer Technology. He is also a holder of second Dan belt in Taekwondo and a mediator of Vipassana. Professionally, he is a software developer. He is third position in AT Assistive Technology Hackathon, second position in Hardware Software Competition Skill Boost Up. He had 15 years of volunteering service practices, including the relief distribution in Dolakha, Charikot, and Gorkha during 2017 earthquake pandemic. As a road tractor, he is an active member since 17th May 2018. He served as IST 2019-20 Webmaster and again International Service Director at 2020 and 21 and Vice President at 2021 and 22. We look forward to serving the club and community along with the Presidency of Road Tractor Karma Gurung, Rota year 2022 and 23. I would also like to congratulate each of the board member and officers. I have already seen that just enthusiasm and commitment that you bring to the board. I look forward to working with you all.
Installations from your past president, Dr. Kumar Sreshta sir, Secretary Sivraj Bhatta sir, and IPP Mitra Khatri of Road Track Club of Rajdhani and our district road track representative Lakshman Bhai. So this is my first time, so I hope you guys understand. So madam. Okay, I would like to start my speech like how I started road track journey. And so I was invited into the road track family by immediate past president, road track who is also my childhood friend. And he has invited me for just I think it was just a meeting, but after I went to meeting, it was the day where the other visit was supposed to happen during past president Orange dinner. And after that, after we get to know each other and getting the fellowship bonding, we get to and fellowship what is done again, and especially even like Vidyati, Rosi, Mohammed, and the result like this kind of friend. And Neha Gatvaria as our mentor. She has been mentoring us.
Do solemnly pledge that I will fulfill the duties of my office in the Rotary Club of Rajdhani to the best of my ability, that I will support President Nishal Bahadur Shrestha and will abide by the club's constitution and bylaws. Thank you so much.
I, Rotractor, do solemnly swear that I will sincerely execute the office of Rotary Club of Rajdhani and shall do my best to keep up the decorum of our Rotary movement by upholding the Constitution and statement of policy of our organization. So we'll be handing up the badges and appointment letter in afterwards, since we need to save time. Thank you.
सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई म विनम्र अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कि यो सकारात्मक सोच अभियानलाई पनि तपाईँहरूको आफ्नो अभियान ठानेर यसलाई हामी सँगसँगै लिएर जान सकिन्छ। किनभने एक्लै हामी एउटा ठोपा मात्र हो कि एक्लै हामी एउटा ठोपा मात्र हो अनि सँगै हामी सागर हो। सँगै भयो भने सागर बन्न कसैले रोक्नै सक्दैन। And thank you so for your wonderful thing and I'm very glad. And we are just like yourself.
आज हामीले झरना बहिनीलाई आफ्नो ब्याक टु स्कुल पढाइलाई चाहिँ निरन्तरता दिनको लागि रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानीबाट केही सहयोग गर्दैछौँ। हामीले नगद रु 25,000 उहाँको बुवालाई हस्तान्तरण गर्नेछौँ। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।
सरिता को सरस संग, जो संग सरिता को सरस संग, पुण्य को प्रताप ले प्राप्ति को मनोकामना, पाउनु भो कर्मठ अंजना। साथीहरु ताली त बजाउँ। जितेन्द्रको हेर्नुस्, जो अहिले ताली बजाउनु हुन्न, नेक्स्ट बर्थमा दिनभरि ताली बजाउनु पर्छ। फ्रेन्ड, लेट मी शेयर विथ यू। फाउन्डेसनमा नरेन्द्रजीले भन्नुभयो 11,000 होइन, लास्ट इयर हामीले $14,000 कन्ट्रिब्युट गरेका छौँ। र डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3292 मा राजधानी फ्रम द डे वन प्रायः क्लबको 9 अगाडि काठमाडौँमा भएका क्लबको अगाडि काठमाडौँ छ, तर रोटरी क्लब राजधानीको अगाडि काठमाडौँ छैन। Rajdhani matrai cha. See how we are different from others. First endowment fund is started from Rotary Club of Rajdhani, gentlemen. Give a clap for yourself, gentlemen. र अमिताभ मुखर्जी त्यति बेलाको डिजी हुनुहुन्थ्यो, हामी जब चार्टर भएको थियौँ, उहाँकै लाइन म सेयर गर्न चाहन्छु. 60 years ago a star was born. 68 years ago a star was born named Jeet Ko Indra. Proved by his deed he is really Jitendra. A man full of direction, dedication, what not, a perfect decision maker. That's why he got opportunity to direct great institution of our country like Nepal Airlines, Nepal Investment Bank. See, there are serial of names. I am not going to read all the names. It will take time. I have been given only 5 minutes. Friends, let me share. उहाँको सबै कुरा तपाईलाई थाहा होला, तर अर्को कुरा म भन्दैछु. म प्रेसिडेन्ट हुँदा क्लबमा म इमर्जेन्सी ल्यान्डिङ भएको छु. तीर्थमान दाइ जानुभयो, जहिले पनि मेरो इमर्जेन्सी ल्यान्डिङ हुन्छ. आरके मानन्दर वाज सपोज टु बी president.
I have proven by transferring the leadership to the younger generation. Congratulations, Rajdhani Club, for starting young generation in the club. As a Bollywood, I want to talk about Imagine Roti, how this team has come. We all dream. We all dream, we all imagine. Dream is our right. But acting upon dream is our choice. Sabana to deksho, sabana sakar karna like I am also going to hamro adhikar kura. But when organizations like Rotary International dreams big, like ending polio, bringing peace, getting clean water, and bringing harmony, then it becomes our responsibility as Rotarians to act upon that. Tio karanबाट Imagine Rotary theme आएछ. So के भन्छ भने just dream about ending polio, goal without polio. Let's imagine about clean drinking water, everyone. Let's imagine about every girl child gets a chance to go to the school. Let's imagine about peace. It's so honest. It's so we have Imagine Rotary has come up. But Imagine Rotary के भन्छ? You imagine Rotary, you try to achieve all these things. I just want to share हिजो हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनरले भनिसक्नु भएको छ. सेप्टेम्बरमा one of our Rotarians, who doesn't want him to be named, has committed 1 crore rupees to Rotary in District 3292 and given us a free hand to use the earnings from that fund for scholarship. So Rotary मान्छेहरुको दिने बानी यति बढेको छ. कसैले सामग्री चाहिँ ठुलो दिन्छ, but that is one of the biggest achievement we have had for this year. जेनेको जुन चाहिँ धेरै प्रायोरिटी एरिया भनेको छ, I just like to talk about membership. What she said, membershipमा यसपालि अलिकति उहाँको प्रायोरिटी चेन्ज भएको छ. If you look at the priority of last year and this year, what she has said is we should emphasize on membership retention. Membership retention and increasing members should keep it as number 2. The reason she gave is in the decade of 2011 to 2020, the membership was 12 lakh in 2011 January. And from that time till 31st December 2020, we increased member by 1.3 million. त्यो हेर्दाखेरि we should have had at least 25 लाख मेम्बर हुनुपर्ने. But हामी मेम्बर घटेर 11,80,000 छोड्यो.
So we do it we are organizing this along with Pedal and Rotary Club of Rajdhani, where in association we have Rotary Club of Rajdhani. In a reel, I am the gardener who have been generous enough to donate all the plants, 200 plants for us for the program, as well as our media partner 98.9 FM, 98.8 FM. This event is gonna be full of fun. When I say this, I reassure you, you will have a lot of fun on that event. We would want to have a lot of engaging activities based on our age groups, whoever can participate in different agendas for the day, and followed by doing the tree plantation, and above all, the most important thing that we want to do is bless our Mother Earth. We would want to do that together, bring that energy and ensure that we are blessing our Mother Earth for the betterment of our country. With this, we have a substantial cost that we've been bearing for this, organizing this particular program, amongst which 54% has been put in from our organization. I would now request an open floor for all my Rotarian friends to be generous enough, whatever could be the contribution amount from your side to be put into this particular program. I would request you to do that now. Our President has just come in to contribute 10,000 rupees. Thank you so much, President, for the generous support. Anybody else for any contribution for this particular program? Thank you. Rashmi ma'am has just come with 10,000 rupees. Thank you so much for that generous support again.
Thanks to Chief Guest, DG Jitendra Bahadur Rajmundar sir, past district governors, AG Pavina Khadka, AG Sarad Nepane, our outgoing AG, office bearers from district office, Rotarians from other clubs, inner wheelers, Rotracts, DRR Lakshman Karki, Interacts, RCC officials, esteemed guests, and fellow RC Rajdhanian members with spouse for your time and patience. A special thanks to Chief Guest District Governor Jitendra Bahadur Rajmundari for being here with us today and for administrating the oath. I would also like to keep in record his inspiring speech and the suggestions that we shall follow and adhere to. I would like to thank each and all of you for being with us and making the day special. I will fail in my duty if I do not thank preparatory team for their time and energy in preparation, with a special acknowledgement to our convener of the ceremony, past President Pradeep Kumar Shrestha sir, and our MC Timila Shrestha madam. A special thanks to President for the announcement of full endorsement fund and his contribution of $1,000. And I would like to thank District Governor for conferring honorary membership to our special guest, Karna Sakyadai.